स्टार्ट करने जाना है जस्ट प्लीज स्टार्ट। I am Omri Pandey from Saraswati Sit Vidya Mandir, Inter College, Surara Marg, Sultanpur. Today we are here at an orientation program oriented by Vidya Bharati with English communication at Bhaurav Devras Inter College, Noida. Today we are going to deliver our speech, the positive aspects of movie. I thanks to our great mentor Deepak ji, and during the session sometimes he gives the example of movies. So positive aspects of movie, what I felt I can express through our speeches. Before the camera, as I know that the movies are the mirror of society, we can see them. After seeing the movie, we can observe that what are the level and status of the society of particular area. Before camera, there are also the source of entertainment is drama played by the common people. And an article I have read that Gandhiji was much influenced after seeing a drama based on Harishchandra Taramati. He was highly impressed by the character of Harishchandra. That is why he became a great person. When camera came into the existence and movies came into the existence, there are a lot of things to learn from that sources. For example, I have seen a movie Prem Rog. The director had put the real meaning of love in that through the he want to give the real meanings message through this movie to the society. I had seen a widow lady whom Rishi Kapoor was loved much. Although that lady, the lady Padmini Kolhapuri was married with other person, and at that time he was no more in the world. So barefooted, she was forced by the society to go to the temple and worshipped at the outside. So after seeing the situation of Padmini Kolhapuri, the Rishi Kapoor provided the sleeper, seeing the conditions of the legs. Somebody criticized, why do this behavior in the such manner? What are the relation between that lady and you? In pointing to the sculpture of the temple of Lord Krishna and Radha, Rishi Kapoor said, what was the relation of both of them? All the people began to beat him. Lord Krishna shows the real meaning of love. Once somebody had in a episode, I have seen that some courtiers asked to Krishna, why you love much Radha than more than Rukmani? Then Sri Krishna replied, then after some times you will come to know that what is the reason to love more Radha than Rukmani. He pretended to be ill and asked Rukmani to give your legs on my head so that I can feel easy. I can feel easy only in this way if you put your legs on my hands, on my head. Rukmani disobeyed to do the such things because he was afraid. It was disobey of dharma, disobey of the white dharma. And I am a part of to go to hell after death. So I cannot do such things. When it was Radha's turn, then he gave his answer in the positive way that I could do, I can do it. Whatever the matter, if with this action you feel rest, so I am able to go to the help 1000 times, not only one time. That is why the Krishna said, that is the basic difference to love more Radha than Rukmani. So through the movies, through the episodes like Ramayana, I have learnt a lot of things. There are situations when Bharat goes to Ram at forest to request him to go back and take the kingdom of Ayodhya. So Rama said it was the responsibility of every son to obey his fathers, or it was dharma of every son. At this, the Bharat says that if it is so, then I will be here. You go now. Then Ram says that dharma is not a business to transfer between each other like vegetables, like objects. If it is possible that anybody transfers his liabilities on the other soldiers, then there is the uncertainty prevailing in the whole world. Therefore, do your job, and I would be here as in the forest. After some situations, the decision, the Janakji became the king, became the judge of this dispute. And Janakji tells that the love is above dharma. So, but it was love is love has no any foundation. Love has not selfishness. So go to the feet of the Ram and tells him what in what way he is happy.